All right, conditions still gorgeous here in West Michigan. This is the precursor for what is a cooler week ahead compared to what we've had. We had about 4 or 5 70-degree days in a row. That's come to an end here today. We'll start a short-term streak of 60s before we do get back to the 70s by the end of the week. So the late summer air not done, but it's a pretty good taste of fall, especially the cool overnight lows that we're expecting. Some of us going to get down to the 30s. So the water, not really swimming conditions anymore. Water temps cooling back down, but at least the sunshine's nice, and the wind in the channel not so bad. But it has been gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour here today. View in Holland, gorgeous one. The sunset's going to be great. You can see just a few high wispy clouds there on the horizon, but directly overhead it's been blue skies. There's just one swath of clouds down near South Haven and the Benton Harbor area, as well as clouds in northern lower Michigan. Everywhere else has enjoyed blue skies all day long. Warmest air is in our south and east communities, not getting the wind off of the lakeshore. We're in the 50s from Oceana down to Ottawa County and out towards Jackson and Lansing. Temperatures are in the mid 60s. We were as warm as 66 in Kalamazoo here earlier today, but the wind and the sun starting to set really started to change that. Gusts at times still pushing 20 miles per hour, but the worst of them are done here today and out of the west northwest at just 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll go calm overnight tonight. So you pair the calm air with some clear skies and the dew points in the 30s. It's going to be a cooler night for areas east of US 131. Could see some 30s in Greenville and Big Rapids. That's where dew points stand right now, as low as 30 over in Jackson, but we're near 40 along the lakeshore. So here's the conditions in the dry air. There is a light moisture near Chicago. That is not going to be an issue for us here tonight as the clouds fizzle out as well. And then that moisture in the UP, well, it's going to drag to the north and east of us, and we're not looking at anything moving in here in the short term. Next 3 to 4 days looking really nice. Cooler one, 42 degrees for an overnight low, average overnight low right around 45. So we'll trend cooler for overnight lows, slightly above our average for the afternoon highs here in the week to come. Cloud cover, maybe a few residual ones overnight tonight. Again, that's why we'll go mostly clear with a few high clouds as well. Tuesday, I'll start with some sunshine. We will see some cloud cover develop in the afternoon. Be a little bit cloudier tomorrow than it has been today. Wednesday, I think, is going to be the sunniest day of the week. Could have some residual cloud cover north, especially north of I-96, but it does not look very bad here. One other thing to keep an eye on is Hurricane Milton, Category 5 there, and a pretty defined eye there on the tropical satellite. And what it's going to do for rainfall in the peninsula of Florida could be very significant, forecasting north of Tampa to be well over 8 to 10 inches of rain in some spots. Factor in the wind there, it's going to be significant damage, but it is pleasant and cool here for the next few days.